Amazon working on ways to help those that fear doorstep theft. Not stealing doorsteps, but packages from doorsteps. But first, 11 stock futures are in the green this morning as European and Asian stocks did go up. Are you yawning, Justin?
No, this is very interesting.
We don't know if he came for a
We'll
ride.
be in the 90s. Apologies. Didn't mean to yawn during that invigorating fiscal report. I was pretty enthused that.
To you watching at home, I really wouldn't call it out. But I actually had papers on my desk drift toward the department, the weather department, when he did it. Was the biggest, most aggravating yawn I've ever.
Like a black hole, a gravitational pull. Anyhow, let's jump into the weather.